So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you guys how to check if your network is 1 gigabit or if it has support to 1 gigabit standard. So please right click on Start menu, Device Manager. Here you're gonna expand your network adapter tab. Then you're gonna double click your network adapter, of course the one you use to connect to the internet. In my case, Realtek PCE GB family controller. So here I have his driver properties. Click on Advanced tab. Search for speed and duplex. This option right here. Click on this context menu and check to see if there's an option called 1.0 gigabits full duplex, or it can be to 1000 megabits full duplex. If you have this option, your network adapter has full support to the gigabit standard, so you need to choose it so you can use your internet above the 100 megabits speed. Alright, both for downloading and uploading. If you don't have this option, unfortunately your network adapter doesn't have support to the gigabit standard. I'm gonna select 1 gigabit full duplex and click on OK. Now to see if your network adapter is working above the 100 megabit speed, you need to check your network status. To do that, you press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, type NCPA period CPL like this. Click on OK. Windows gonna open the network connection screen. Right click on your main network adapter, status, and here on speed you're gonna see if your network speed is above 100 megabits. If it is, then you can use the full potential of your network speed, if of course your ISP speed is above 100 megabits. Alright, let's say 500 megabits, I don't know. So that's it. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. And sorry for my bad English, I'm not a native English speaker, right? See you next time.